It's kind of funny. I was on a plane about a year ago, and I'm flipping through Yahoo News, and this little article comes up about this guy who was a military vet, came back from Afghanistan or somewhere in the Middle East, and he and his wife opened this little food truck, and the food truck had burned to the ground, caught on fire. There was no insurance, and they lost everything, and they had a GoFundMe type thing. And honestly, I didn't think twice about it. I mean, because I've been so blessed and given so much. I jump on the GoFundMe and I put my credit card in and put $5,000 on this thing. Forgot about it. About 6 or 8 months go by, and I get an email, and it was from a reporter up in some small town up in Oregon. So, you're the Weldon Long that gave such and such money to such and such person. And at first I'm like, what the hell are they talking about? And I thought, oh yeah, that was that guy with the food truck. And so I said, yes, as a matter of fact, I did. And she said, well, why did you do that? There was a pretty significant, donation to make. And I said, well, number one, the guy sacrificed to serve in our country. And number two, I know how hard it is to make it in small business. It is not an easy task. And for this guy to lose their little truck and everything. And so anyway, she wrote this article with my comments on different things. Turns out they raised so much money, there was so much generosity from so many people. They got a food truck and had enough to open a restaurant, and they were doing very well. And so it's like, to me, it's like you can't put a price on that stuff. I mean, helping somebody who's working their tail off to try to make it, comes across some misfortune, truck burns down, no insurance, So I think prosperity is about giving and contribution, and I'm sure that we could all give 100 stories like that, of just little things we do for people.